Here's our music player app. I'm gonna show some basic feature right now. First, I'm gonna show stop, pause, and play next music. Can you start music?
Yeah.
Can you pause the music? Can you play next song? So all these basic features is well done for our app. Now I'm gonna try some other feature like search specific songs or singers. Also, we'll try use like foreign, like other language other than English, because our app can understand like more than 50 languages, and we don't need to change the presetting. Can you play songs from Childish Gambino? And we see, yeah, he's playing the Childish Gambino song. Play the most popular song from Drake. And we can see it's starting playing song from Drake, and based on Spotify, the most popular song is the One Dance. So basically, it's just play the artist, and it will automatically play the first song, which is the most popular song by now. Play some jazz music. And now I'm gonna try to use Spanish to play songs from Taylor Swift.
Reproducir canciones de Taylor Swift.
And it's working pretty fine. And I'm maybe gonna show some bad examples.
放一首周杰倫嘅歌。So we can see from this song there's no artist 周杰倫 in the whole artist list. So let's try another one. 放一首单依纯的歌。So this is what we are expecting, but apparently ChatGPT is not able to understand 单依纯。放一首 Alpha Shao 嘅歌。So we can see if we pronounce the artist name just like how the Spotify recorded their names, it will be able to play their songs. So if we want to search for certain artists that we want, we type in Chinese 周杰伦. The Spotify is able to show the results. That is exactly what we want. 放一首愛的主打歌。